Hello everyone, my name is Amit. I'm from 10th B and I'm standing for the role of head boy. When I ask you to vote for me, the first thing that clicked on your mind was, why should I?
I'm Guna Sushant from class 10A, current year candidate for the school head boy post. Point. Why should I be voted as the head boy? I'll give you my ideology and I'll let you decide that.
I'm Atharva from grade 10A and I'm contesting for the post of head boy and Taurus house captain. So I believe I can make a change which is appreciated by the students.
I'm Mahati from 10A. It's rightly said that with great power comes great responsibility, and I am nominating for the head girl.
I am Sara Saxena from grade 10 and today I stand before you not only as a candidate for head girl but also as a dreamer, a doer and a sparkle of sunshine.
And this is Navjeevana Kaltireddy of grade 10th A, and in this year's school elections I'm running for the posts of head girl and Orion house captain. So being a part of the school council comes with great responsibility, and I trust myself with that responsibility.
I have decided to run myself for the post of Deputy Discipline Secretary. Now, you might ask, why do I have to choose who does what in our Cambridge wing? Well, the truth is, immediate action is the best way to help your efforts in the future.
My name is Luchita Sri Adreddy from grade 7A CIE. Today, I am standing for the cultural secretary post. Why should you choose me? Well, it's my confidence which can uphold the responsibility.
Hi, I'm Yashida. I'm going to be posting for the post cultural secretary. You might be asking why I should be here. Well, I think I will be a good study.
My name is Hemant. I am studying in grade 7 Cambridge. I have nominated myself for the post of discipline secretary.
My name is Sanjana and today I'll be campaigning for the post Deputy Discipline Secretary. Discipline helps us develop focus, self-control.
My name is Ayan and I'm running for the post of the Student Election Council for the post of Discipline and Cultural Secretary.